Hello everyone. We are the team Hack for Rescue from MIT Academy of Engineering, R&D, Department of Computer Engineering from 3rd year. Our project for the PCCOE International Grand Challenge 2025 is titled AI-Powered Disaster Forecasting and Response System under the theme AI for Climate Change. Myself Neha Shinde, the team leader, and my teammates are Swamini Mote, Vaishnavi Fad, and Disha Satpute. Through this project, our goal is to build a system that helps to predict the disasters early, alert the people in real time, and assist the authorities in responding quickly to save the lives. So, our motivation came from the rising number of disasters. We see every year the floods, cyclones, earthquakes, and wildfires, which are increasing because of climate change. We notice that during these events, people often don't get timely warnings, especially in the villages or the remote areas. Sometimes don't understand the alerts because they are not in their local languages. So, many lives and the homes are lost, not because we can't predict the disasters, but because the information doesn't reach the people at the right time. So, this inspired us to create a smart, AI driven system that ensures timely, localized, and understandable alerts, turning the information into the action. So, the next point, problem statement. The main problem we identified is that current disaster warning systems are slow, generic, and not acceptable to everyone. Some of the key issues are: the first point is to alerts too broad or delayed, leaving the little time to act. Second point is to poor data integration. Existing systems rely mostly on weather reports, not on real-time data from satellites or the sensors, not personalized alerts. The same messages is sent to everyone. And the next point is limited AI usage. So predictions are less accurate. Next point is language barriers. So rural populations often don't understand the alerts. So because of this, some of the challenges, people can't prepare early and the emergency teams take longer to respond, increasing the loss of lives and property. So the objectives of our project are: first point is to predict the disasters early using the real-time satellite and the weather data to send instant alerts via SMS, WhatsApp, app notifications, or the sirens. Third point is to provide the multi-language alerts so that the rural communities are not left behind. Fourth point is to offer an AI dashboard for the authorities with clear insights for decision making. And the fifth and the last important point is and to guide the citizens with the step-by-step safety actions like the information about the nearby shelters and relief centers. So overall, we aim to save the lives by reducing the response time and improving the preparedness.
So let's start with the demo that we have already understood about the idea. Let's move towards the live demo of our prototype to show how the AI powered alert system predicts the disasters and sends real-time notifications to the users and the authorities. So this is our welcome page, we can see. Now firstly we'll go for the get started button. Like in that you can see you have to register or log in first. Currently I'm not having any account, so I'll sign up first. Firstly, fill your details into the create account page. Then you have to put in your email, then password, location, like my current location is Pune, so I'll select there, West, emergency contact number. Then this user role has been selected already. We'll click on sign up. So the message has been printed, your account created successfully. So we'll log in. e@gmail.com 123, yes, login. Yeah, it is showing the login successful and it is redirecting towards our dashboard, that is disaster forecast. We can see here the today's date and timing also. After that there are 4 sections. One is alert, warning, response and preparedness. So we'll go one by one. First one is alerts. So here in the create disaster alert section you have to put their location, then emergency contact number. After that you have to select the disaster type, so I'll select the earthquake. Then did you participate in the last drill? So yes, I have participated. If no, then select the no. Here you can see the response team readiness. You can change it like from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. So I've put it there 7. Now evaluation transport needed. Yes, I needed the transport, so I'll click on. After that, the emergency kit items, so like first aid kit, flashlight, water bottles, fluid supplies, power bank. So I'll select first aid kit, then flashlight, I'll require that. Then click on save alert. Yeah, the alert has been saved successfully. Now we'll move towards another page, that is warning. Now in warning, we have previously selected the earthquake, so I'll select earthquake. Then the severity level we can see it is a moderate. Then the location, for the location you can select the auto detect location, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, any other. So I'll select the auto detect. Firstly, earthquake warning is the severity is moderate, the location is auto detect. So I'll click on save warning. Yeah, the message has been printed, warning saved successfully. Yeah, so next point is the response system. Yeah, so in the team identity you have to provide one name, like I'll click on team 1, and you can see here the readiness meter, it's 60%. Then vehicle deployment, either you will require the ambulance, jeep or truck. I'll click on ambulance by default. Then medical supplies which you require, you can select it, like I'll click first aid, stretchers and oxygen is required. After that you can go for the communication channel, either you require the radio or the mobile network active. Then the response notes, so I'll write one note, it should be delivered on time. Yeah, so save response. Yeah, the response details has been saved successfully, the message printed. Now we'll go for the another part, like the preparedness section. In preparedness section we can see the batches, like I have already have an kit ready and equipment mapped batches. Then the drill tracker, we can see 3 drills. Fire drill has been completed, flood drill is scheduled, and earthquake drill is pending. Then we can see the request, like pack your kit in under 10 minutes, explain your evaluation plan to a friend, schedule a drill this week, like that way. And we can also have a safety tips which is changing continuously, like keep flashlight near exist, like that way. Or you can set a drill reminder also. So this is all about the preparedness mission board. Now we'll move towards the awareness, like disaster aware page. Here we can see in the disaster aware page, for awareing the people about the AI powered forecasting. Like for this we have used the AI algorithms to provide the accurate disaster predictions to help you stay prepared. Upcoming alerts it is showing too. Then we'll go for the forecast dashboard and response actions before we see the disaster aware. Here we can see the current weather conditions, like temperature is currently 28 degrees Celsius, humidity is 65%, wind speed is 16 km per hour. Or we can have an emergency call services. Now I want to call to fire bridge, so I'll just click on call. It is showing me open with phone or Truecaller, so actually I'm having both the apps, that's why it is asking. By default it might be a phone. Yeah, it's opening. So if you want to call directly, the dial, it dials your number, so you can just click on call for that. Yeah, so like that way you can call for the fire brigade, then police control room, ambulance service, disaster management helpline, national emergency number. Then real-time data and predictions. For this we have a graph, like flood, then cyclone, heat wave, fire and landslide. Data updated using the live weather, like based on the temperature, wind and humidity. We can see the risk zones are Pune and Mumbai. Then preventive actions. Now we'll go towards the your location section. Current location and nearby safe zones. Here we can see our current location. My current location is Pune, and here we can see there are 3 safe zones are available. One is Shivaji Nagar, Shaniwar Wada, and one is Budhwarpet. We can refresh the location after some time. like location refresh, message has been printed. After that, we'll go for the weather section. In weather section, my current location is Pune, that's why it is showing. After that, we'll see the 22.79 degrees Celsius is the current temperature and the sky is clear. Like in the previous slide, we have seen that how the details are fetching, like temperature, humidity, wind speed, visibility, 3-day forecast, like for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like that way. Then the disaster alerts, heat wave warning, stay hydrated and avoid the outdoor activities between the 12 to 4 p.m. Like that way, it is also giving you the weather alerts also. Now we'll move towards my profile section. Whatever the details we have been provided in the create account section, that has been redirected into your profile. Like we can see my name, email, phone number, location, region, like that. So we can edit this section also. Now I want to add the different location or the different region. Now I want to add East region. So I'll just click on save changes. Yeah, it is showing the profile updated successfully. For deleting the profile, you can click on this purple button. After that, we'll go towards the for disaster aware page. In disaster aware page, there are two separate parts. One is disaster dashboard and second one is response actions page. In disaster dashboard, we can see the critical alerts are two, weather and risk. Then live predictions. Based on this graph, we'll get to know how the AI predicted a disaster risk, like 77%, then drops 63%, like that way. After that, we'll go for the response actions page. In response action page, as I said earlier, you have to provide your team identity, like your team name, your team size, then readiness meter, which vehicle you will require, the medical supplies like the first aid, oxygen, stretchers, masks, like that way, and the communication channel, and you have to provide one note with that. So it will save that note. This is all about the disaster forecast. So we have seen the everything in our platform. Now we'll move towards the upgrade plan section. There are three plans that we are providing as of now. One is basic plan, which is free, like it gives you the access to alerts, view response checklist and limited map access. Like just now we have created one account which might be a difficult, which might be a default section, like it is a basic plan. Now if you have to move towards, or you have to achieve more features, then you have to upgrade your plan. Like pro plan is an enterprise plan. There are two plans available. One is pro plan, which is of 199 rupees per month. In that we have used like real-time dashboard, priority alerts, full map and shelter access, coordinated tools. Then last one is enterprise plan for rupees 499 per month, like multi-location support, team coordination tools, customer disaster simulations and 24/7 support. So we can upgrade the plan also. These three basic plans are available. One plan is by default and two plans if you have to upgrade the plan. So this is all about our app, that is disaster forecast, and thank you.
So at last, the conclusion. In conclusion, our project focuses on using an AI to predict the disasters early, alert the people faster, and help the authorities to respond smarter. It's not just having or about warnings, it's about actionable alerts that reach everyone in their language on time. By combining the AI forecasting, real-time communication, community engagement, so we can reduce the devastating impact of natural disasters. So basically, our system is practical, scalable, and life saving, and can play a major role, like in building the climate resilient communities across India. Thank you.